Earlier this spring, I rode Phantom Canyon, which was a magnificent ride. But I had no idea that only about 3 miles west of Phantom Canyon Road, another incredibly beautiful ride was waiting for me to experience: Shelf Road. The two are literally only about 2.5 miles from each other in some sections, and they would make a great one-day loop for those looking for dramatic scenery with a relatively mild riding experience. But on this trip, I would just focus on Shelf Road. I wanted to approach Shelf Road from the south, so on day one, I rode down to my cabin near Westcliff, about 170 miles south of Denver, and stayed the night there so I would have a good portion of day two to experience Shelf Road for the first time. The next morning, I made my way back to Oak Creek Grade and followed it north about 20 miles towards Canyon City. All the years I've ridden through this area, I've always thought this was a strange place for a grape vineyard. But there are a few of them here in the Arkansas Valley, named so because this is home to the Arkansas River. About 20 minutes after passing through Canyon City, I was on Shelf Road. saw the Cripple Creek and Victor gold mine up ahead in the distance, I knew this was the end of another amazing road.